Everybody, this is Sunny Singh signing in with a new video on the unboxing a new ASUS F570Z laptop. So here we have the laptop with us. We're gonna unbox it. You can see the box. There's a seal which I have already broken. So I'm showing you there's the seal. So opening it up is quite hard. So it opens. You see in search of incredible. Let's go closer, have a closer look about what's inside it. As we see, it's mainly focused on for the Incredibles ASUS gaming laptops. This is the laptop here, which I'm gonna take it out, and at the side we have the other accessories. So let's take it out. It's quite hard coming up. Yes, so this is the laptop that I put it out. Keep it aside for the while. We have these few paperworks that we use. The paperwork that's like always there with all devices. Here we have on the left the charger, which you can see branded with ASUS. It's a black color. The power cord is not here, so it might be on the other side. Let's move to the other side then. Here on the other side we have the power cord, which is available. So now the back to laptop. Let's take the peel out of it, and you can see the gradient color of the gaming budget laptop. You can see even my thumb impression is fading away with time. Having a closer look will always be helpful. A blue with the blue on black. It's the basic design and available only in this color only. Let me show you the screen, how the bezels are quite lesser than the older laptops. The new one, the removing the protection of the keyboard, you can see it's a great nice. How about turning it on? Do you want me to turn this on? So here the keyboard feel is very nice of a new laptop. Let me switch it on. The Windows rebooting, the ASUS logo on the start, and yes, it's loading.